Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, just press and hold the power button, tap the power off option on the screen and tap on it again. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And as you can see, we entered the Fastboot mode. To exit this mode, simply press and hold the power button until the phone turns off. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.